Python all method. I'm wondering how the below result yields true. None of the condition is true. Any inputs? New changes. How come the results are still true when the list comprehension yield a result?
The comprehension will be empty as no value of x meets the condition. If x invalid _compare _difference. Hence, results in, which when passed to all returns true. This is so because the definition of all states that if the iterable passed to it is empty, then it returns true.
As Henny said, your collection is empty, because you are only looking at those values that already fill your condition. You want to return the results of the check, not the element if the check passed. With x for x in list item if x invalid _compare _difference, you will get all those values of list item that belong to valid _compare _difference, in your case, none. With x invalid _compare _difference for x in list item, for each x, you take the value of the expression, x invalid _compare _difference, giving you a bool for every x.
Says gather all the x's from list item that are also invalid _compare _diff. Passing that through all only cares about those x's that you did pick up, and so it will be true unless you've picked up at least one falsy x. It doesn't care, or even know, about how you chose those x's in the first place.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.